National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central St. Joseph County, Indiana, southwestern Cass County in southwestern Michigan, southeastern Berrien County in southwestern Michigan, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Roseland, or near Georgetown, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include South Bend, Mishawaka, Niles, Buchanan, Georgetown, Granger, Roseland, Bertrand, Indian Village, Barrow Lake, and Chino Lakes. This includes Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 70 and 80. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: St. Joseph, Indiana, and the following counties in Michigan: Berrien and Cass.